Good morning. Say good morning. Hey guys. I don't know if this lighting is good, but whatever. I'm in a vlogging mood today. I'm going to this like vegan social later, so I'm just gonna take you guys with me. I tried to vlog on the Virgo full moon. I had like a whole thing planned because I was doing a lot of like full moon activities, but I wasn't in the mood, so didn't end up getting much footage from that, but I'm going to insert what I did get in here, so enjoy. It's kind of like cloudy today, which I love it so much. I never want this weather to end. But I just threw something on. I mean, I don't know how I feel about it, so I might change, but I just have these ripped jeans that are super ripped because they ripped over time. I've had them for a long time. It's a gorgeous day out. I just love this weather so much. Hello, good morning. She doesn't like being on camera. She gives me a little evil eye. She don't. I'm currently trying to finish my painting. I just realized that when I was painting it, some of the brush, like, oh, you can't see, some of the brush, like, bristles got stuck in the painting. So there's a little texture to it now with them, but I think it kind of looks cool actually, so whatever. But I'm currently watching Midnight Gospel, and this is it so far. I try. I actually think it's gonna turn out pretty cool. I just wish that I knew how to do like catch the light, like make it look more real, I guess. I want to like take painting classes or something because I just think it would be so fun. I came outside to show you the progress. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of good. I mean, the palm trees, I definitely feel like I did the palm trees really well. You tell me what you think. I'm not done yet. I think it's gonna look pretty good when I'm done, but I don't know if you can see the vision. It's really nice out. It's a really creative vibe today, obviously. But I decided to make chocolate avocado pudding. I decided to make that because I have everything that I need. If it's good, like if it's actually good, if I like it, I'll put the recipe link in the description of the video. But I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I don't know how it's gonna turn out because I've made a mango pudding before and all I tasted was the avocado, and I really wanted to like it, but I couldn't get the taste of avocado out of my mouth. Anyways, welcome to Cooking with M. We have all the ingredients, and then you just need a food processor. The cool thing about like vegan stuff is like everything can be made with this. Like this is all you need to bake vegan treats. I swear to God. You just drop it in here and you mix it up and it's done. So that's kind of fun. But also I don't ever like really try anything too difficult. But I have literally never been into cooking until recently when I became pescatarian. Ever since I became pescatarian and found out I was allergic to eggs, I just have been cooking a lot more. Okay, let's just like get started. So I'm supposed to just literally put everything in the food processor and just blend it up. So that's pretty easy. So let's cut everything. You know what, let's talk about how I've been in a creative drought lately. I feel like I like get spurts of inspiration, but then my execution isn't like the best. I feel like I'm struggling with executing all my ideas. And like, I kind of am the type of person that does things without like a game plan, you know? Like if I want to do something, I just kind of do it and figure it out, which I think is like not a bad quality, but I am not like good at execution. So sometimes like I'll have an idea and it's probably a good idea, but then I'm not like executing it well. So I don't know. I feel like that's kind of what's happening with my podcast right now. Like I just have so much I want to talk about. I feel like I just need somebody to help me execute my ideas. I have a vision. I always have a vision, but I like never know how to fully make it happen. So I don't know. But I've been kind of slacking on my podcast. So if anyone wants to help me like execute my plans, let me know. I feel like I need like a, what is it called? Like a creative director? Creative director, yeah, that's exactly what it's called. Yeah. Anyways. I also have been having a lot of photography ideas lately. And I just ordered a like vintage Kodak film camera. And I'm really excited about it because I don't have to keep buying the ones like Fujifilm ones at Walmart. But anyways, I'm really excited because I want to start doing some photography that I've been thinking about. Like I just want to do creative shit with creative people every day. I don't know, I'm like not a planned person. I just like with my creative stuff, I'm just very like impulsive, or like I'll just have an idea and I'm like, okay, let's just go try it, rather than like having a step-by-step plan. I don't know if any of these measurements are I'm literally just eyeballing the shit out of this. Anyways, I'm gonna blend this up. It definitely doesn't look that pleasing to the eye, but it's just all in here. We have the dates, the avocado, the cacao powder, and all that. Yeah, it doesn't look pretty yet right now. This is what it looks like. It looks so unappetizing, but it's good. I like took a little bite of it and it's good. There's some avocado chunks, but it's honestly not bad. I don't know. I feel like it looks good. It's like the pudding texture is there. I added some like just raspberries and powdered sugar just to make it look cute, to show you guys the like final result. I kind of feel proud of this. I'm not gonna lie, I feel proud of this. It was super easy to make, but still, I don't know. That's really good. Actually, that's good. I didn't end up actually changing much. I kept the shirt just because I love it. I want to go out like this. I want people to see this dope ass sweater. But I did end up changing my pants, and then I just put a jean jacket on. I am going for the denim on denim today. Tell me if I hit or miss on the denim on denim. Okay. A little 360 for you. Okay, hit or miss though. Did I make it work with the denim on denim, or am I crazy? Okay, I'm here downtown. I always get so anxious to park down here, like fucking anxious as shit. Like I was like, oh my god, I just gotta go home. I'm just gonna go home. It's fine. It's not worth it. But I ended up finding parking really easily. I've had so many experiences, like especially in LA, where I'm like, oh, I really want to go to this event, but then my gut is telling me not to, and then like nothing was like going right. So, but I still like wanted to go, and so I just didn't listen to it. So I always get anxious when I go places, especially by myself, because I'm like, okay, if I don't find parking like right away, or if like I just start to feel anxious, like I start to think like that's my gut telling me not to go. It always reassures me that like, no, you can go to this event, you're safe, you're good. I'm excited. I get really nervous to vlog still in public, but like at the same time, I probably should go to the crosswalk. But at the same time, like it's fine. Like I don't know why I trip. Because nobody cares really. Like if you want to vlog, you should just vlog, and if you're scared to vlog in public, just do it. Like nobody actually cares or pays attention to you. Like just do your thing. And most people you see in public, you're never gonna see again anyway. And then anybody that thinks like you're weird, or like anyone that's judging you for vlogging, they're not the type of people that you'd want to be around anyway, right? Like a lot of it is. I think it's mainly the food that's like the vegan, but I don't know when it cut off because I ran out of storage. I did not bring an extra SD card. I don't know why I didn't do that. I'm so glad I came, and it's so cute, and I am about to go and find something to eat. There's so much food here, but I wanted to try something vegan, so I'm about to go do that. I don't know if I said, but I got a bunch of stuff. I'll definitely give a haul. It's really pretty out. The city is so beautiful. Honestly, it's so pretty at night, and I just love it downtown. Okay, so my anxiety started kicking in, so I'm leaving. I was standing in line to get food, but I don't know, I just started like overthinking, and then I was like forgetting where I parked, and I don't know, anxiety sucks, guys. Anxiety sucks. Because I was doing well for like a minute there. And then I don't know. Anyways, I'm really happy like that I went though, and I did like learn about a new vegan like food. I didn't end up getting it because the line was just really long, and I just didn't feel like waiting in line. I definitely want to like try their food some other time. I feel like I just got a good idea of some vegan places I can have food. I don't know. You can tell I'm having anxiety because I can't even form my words. But it's okay, we're good, we're good. We had a good time while it lasted, and sometimes I just have to like let myself be anxious and like tell myself, okay, like we tried and it's time to go home, you know? Okay, I'm back home. I got a bunch of stuff. Actually, I'm gonna show you everything that I got. Before I like actually give you the haul, I met this girl at one of the booths, and I didn't end up buying anything from her, but I had a long talk with her. Beautiful person. She was really resonated with one of the art pieces that I got, and so that's what struck the conversation. And I just thought it was cool because the art piece really spoke to me, and I picked it because it spoke to me. And then to after go and meet her and to strike a conversation because of the art piece that spoke to me is just crazy to me, because it's like everything happens for a reason, and like there's just, life is so crazy in the universe when you're really tapped in. And then to for her to tell me about her music, which I told her, I was like, I'm gonna blast it in the car on the way back from the vegan social, and I sure did. And let me tell you, this woman's voice is so beautiful, so unique, and it just like, her aura shines through it. Like when you listen to the music, you just can feel it. And you can tell when you listen to a song, and you can tell that that artist is their whole soul is in the song, and she's one of those artists. And I wanted to tell you guys to go listen to her. Her name is Aisha May. I'm just gonna show you her, hopefully it focuses, I'm gonna make it. There we go, Aisha May. Now for the little haul. So first thing I stopped at was this shop called Wash the City. And I really wanted to get something from them, but my ADHD, I said I will come back, and I forgot to go back, and then I hit my budget for the night, so I couldn't get anything, and I really wanted to. So when time comes and I can afford to splurge a little bit again, I'm definitely going to, because this brand and what they do is amazing. And then, oh, dear to my heart, oh my gosh, of course I had to stop at Sister Cody's. He had a pop-up shop there, and I have been following Cody for years now, and I knew he lived in Arizona, but I used to never go to any like pop-ups. I used to never go to First Friday or anything like that. His art has inspired and saved me so many days, like just lifted me back up of sad days so much. He's an incredible person. So I had to stop at his pop-up, of course, and he had t-shirts, so I ended up getting this one. It says, "I have no idea what's going on," which is just so relatable. And then with the t-shirt, I got a print, and this is the art piece that spoke to me, that sparked conversation with Aisha, and here it is. Danny and Cody, if you are watching this, mwah, I love you both. I also got these little croc gems. Oh, I'm obsessed with them. I got these from Created by DVO. She had jewelry that she makes, which was amazing. This is an Attack on Titans one. Look at that. Bad Bunny one. Okay. Here is Marcus art. His energy was so great. I was obsessed with his energy, and he complimented my outfit, so thank you, Marcus. And he is, but guys, phenomenal. You don't understand. He does these art pieces with mechanical pencil, like literally just mechanical pencil. Like that is some serious skill. First, I got the lighter, and I just learned today, because I didn't know who this was, but I just thought it looked really dope. But this is one of the founders of Thrasher. Really dope, really dope. And all he uses is, mechanical pencil. And then lastly, I don't know, I just think that art like this is so cool. And then there's the back with the logo. That's everything that I got. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thank you guys for continuously supporting me and tuning in. I really appreciate it. Make sure you go listen to my podcast. Till next time.